Former England manager Fabio Capello has shared his thoughts on a new position for Jude Bellingham. The 20-year-old is set to play in his first Champions League final with Real Madrid against Borussia Dortmund at Wembley on Saturday night. Bellingham has had an impressive debut season at Santiago Bernabeu, scoring 23 goals and providing 12 assists in 41 appearances. In an interview with The Sun, Capello compared Bellingham to legendary German international Lothar Matthaus and suggested that he could play as a second striker. Capello stated, "Bellingham's role is unique, making it hard to compare him to others. But he reminds me of Lothar Matthaus. He's effective both in midfield and in the penalty area. I believe he should play as a second forward. He has the ability to penetrate defenses and find key positions, which makes him very dangerous. That's how I'd use him as a manager." Capello, who managed England from 2007 to 2012 and led them to the round of 16 at the 2010 World Cup, also had a successful club management career, winning league titles with AC Milan, Real Madrid and Roma. Bellingham's remarkable season has led to him being named football's most valuable player, with an estimated worth of PS 236 million by the CIES Football Observatory. His contributions were crucial in Real Madrid's La Liga victory, and he is a contender for the Ballon d'Or, a status that will be further solidified if they win the Champions League. Former Chelsea star Joe Cole has encouraged Bellingham to cement his legacy ahead of the match against his former club, Borussia Dortmund. Cole told Mailsport, "I love Jude, he's amazing. If I were managing him, I'd advise him to avoid the media and focus on becoming the great player he is. He should enjoy the moment and not be distracted by interviews. Winning and enjoying the game are what matter most."